October means fall and people spending more time indoors. It's time to do maintenance around the home and think about safety too. We turn to the home and lifestyle expert Laura Dellutri today for tips. Hey Laura! So where should we start?
Well, let's start off with a multi-use product that lubricates and removes grime, dirt, and more. WD-40 Smart Straw. It removes smudges from stainless steel appliances, crayons from walls and floors easily. And you can get rid of sticky residue from price tags on frames, quiet squeaky doors, desk chairs, and spray it on stuck luggage wheels and zippers. And WD-40 3-ounce handy can is easily stored.
What about carpet cleaning, namely those pet messes?
Well, if you're a pet parent, you won't want to be without Bissell's Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro this fall. It gets out everyday carpet stains that come with the season, like tracked-in mud from kids and pets playing outside, and food spills from holiday entertaining. It also tackles pet-specific messes like tough stains and odors using innovative formulas designed with pets in mind.
And what about fall safety tips?
Well, October is also Fire Prevention Month, so it's time to check your smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Get the highest level of safety with 10-year battery alarms, such as a combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with voice and location alerts from First Alert. The alarm alerts you to the threat of smoke or carbon monoxide and the location of the hazard in the home to help you make a safe exit.
What else you got, Laura?
Well, if you're feeling overwhelmed, no worries. Just go to my blog, lauradellutri.blogspot.com, and you'll see more fall home tips like chimney sweeping, changing the HVAC filters, air duct cleaning, gotta do that, and don't forget to be energy efficient now with the weather stripping and caulking those areas that can cost you money in the long run.